Hey there! If you're considering a prosthetic, you're probably facing a lot of questions. Today, I'm breaking down the key differences between temporary and permanent prosthetics. Let's get started. First up, temporary prosthetics. These are typically used right after an amputation. They help in the healing process and allow you to start your rehabilitation. Think of them as the training wheels for your new journey. They're adjustable and can be fine-tuned as your body recovers. However, they might not be as comfortable or durable as permanent options. Now let's switch gears to permanent prosthetics. These are designed to be your long-term solution. Once your body has healed and adjusted, a permanent prosthetic can offer better fit, enhanced functionality, and more comfort. They can be customized to match your lifestyle needs, whether it's walking, running, or even swimming. But remember, it's a more significant investment in terms of time and money. So, what should you expect? With temporary prosthetics, expect frequent visits to your prosthetist for adjustments. It's a phase of trial and error to find what works best for you. With permanent prosthetics, expect a more stable daily life once everything is set. However, you'll still need periodic checkups to ensure everything stays in top shape. Choosing between temporary and permanent prosthetics is a significant decision. Always consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best path for you. And remember, this journey is about finding what makes you feel most comfortable and confident. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and information. Take care and stay positive.